My name is Rick Shapiro. I'm a railroad injury attorney discussing welding fumes and some of the health hazards associated with this activity. Railroad welders have been around ever since the railroads themselves. And there's different types of welding. There's thermit welding and there's arc welding. And there are a number of fumes that are associated with any type of welding. These fumes have hundreds of constituents, some of which are known carcinogens. One of the constituents is manganese, and manganese, on a prolonged exposure basis, has been associated with some neurological conditions. The question we look at is whether appropriate industrial safety protections were in place to protect welders from the fumes that would get up into their face every day they worked. There are respirators specifically designed to prevent welding fumes from being inhaled. The question of whether you were exposed to welding fumes that could have harmed you from the perspective of a lung disease or a neurological condition is one that requires appropriate medical expert analysis. Thank you for listening in to this important topic on railroad injury law. If we can help you, please call our toll-free number or fill in a form on our website.